This is ECU called EDC16, and it has a Motorola MPC 562 CPU as well as a 1E square, which is 95160. Also, it has a flash, which on the other side of the board is a 2 meg. In this video, I'm going to comparing the Ulink NT and the other very affordable BDM on the market. It's called BDM 100 here. The pinout is like so. This is the BDM 100. The BDM connection is like so. It's very simple, and it has the 12 volt directly to the BDM 100. It has to run on the Windows XP machine, so I have to find the older machine to work on it. The first thing to do is just to click on. You can hear the click. Then it's detect the CPU and then find it. So let's say we want to do the individual read. So let me read this flash. So here is a flash. I will call it back up bin file for the flash, or we call flash, and we can save. You can see this will take a while to get all read. The progress will be in here, so it's doing sector by sector. Okay, I read the total flash is 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. So now I'm going to automatic turn off. Let's do this on again. And now I'm going to read the E square. So let me read the EEPROM. So I will call EEPROM and let me save it. EEPROM read takes 27 seconds. This BDM has the direct connector to connect it here. However, Ulink NT does not have it. I have created a jumper wire here. This is connected to the ground, and this goes to 12 volt. We also need to jump wire the ignition 12 volt to this 12 volt here. So connected this 12 volt to here. Then we use the U-Link NT. In the latest software, I have minimized the necessary need. So you only need the DSO, DSI here, then the clock, as well as the reset pin, and you need to use the soft reset pin instead of the hard reset pin on this one, which is purple instead of blue. This is the new target I created for EDC 16, and if you look at the configuration, we configure it as the configure show. It is a BDM PPC. It has the category as ECU, as well as the flash is defined as 2 megabyte and E square is defined as 2 kilobyte. This board has some encryption in the flash, so we need to use this to remap the data. So after you plug it in, you can click detect, and it will tell you the flash. And it's, by the way, it's defined in the NOR XML already. So let's do a read of the flash. The new software can read at the speed about 400 kilobytes per second at the clock's 18 meg. We can do a verification one more time to make sure it's a good read. Compared to the BDM 100, which takes about 2 minutes to read, this only takes 5 seconds. We can also read the EEPROM, and that's it. So the EEPROM read takes less than a second. We can compare one more time. So now we have a good backup of, we save the EEPROM, and we can also save the flash. So this software allows you to do an entire erase, so which we can, for the erase the flash, let's say I want to erase the flash, and it will take a while to erase it. Actually, it takes more time to erase than the programming. So erase takes 34 seconds. You cannot try to erase the EEPROM. Let's say I want to erase EEPROM. It says you can't. But what we can do is we write the EEPROM with all FFs. So let's say I want to write FFs. Yeah. So we have written to the flash, which we can see it's now empty, as well as the flash. Let's see if it's empty or not. Yes, we can erase the flash. So let's program the flash back. So this is the flash. We can program it. Again, it will take 34 seconds to erase. In the meantime, let's be ready for the EEPROM. So it takes 11 seconds to program and 34 seconds to erase, and let's make sure that it is programmed properly. So let's verify it. Yeah, 5 seconds to verify. So now let's do the E squared programming. So let's see E squared is there or not. Obviously we have erased it. Now let's write the E square, and within a second we have programmed the E square. So all in all, U-Link NT is much faster compared to the BDM 100. It has the good part for the BDM 100 design. It has the power on it. It's directly connected to the EDC 16. However, the downside is it does not support Windows 10. The software comes with the clone has the XP only and reported as virus on the Windows 10, and there's no technical support. I have to figure this myself.